Hello, presenting you the Tiltag, the intelligent refrigerator of tomorrow. New AI fridge, efficient, smart, and convenient. Your partner in the kitchen just for 15,000. Inventory management anytime out of ingredients. Leave it to us. Quick restock made it easy. Smart fridge stock for life. Sipping style? Want a drink? Feeling lazy? Leave it to us. Sipping perfection. Oh, meal planning? Bon appetite? Hungry and confused? We got your menu. Food freshness monitoring, personal assistant. Worried about wasting? Worry no more. Oh, still not impressed? There's more. Health tracking. Feeling well? Not feeling well? Too tired to go to doctor? Check at home. Whatever you're feeling, scan yourself. You're good to go. Bye now. And bring your kitchen partner home. Thank you.